Ừ. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, good morning and good evening.
Hello.
Hello. All right, how you all doing? You have any fun plan for the weekend?
Not really.
Not really.
Yes.
Hey, when is your next show, right?
We perform on December 8th is our opening night.
Oh, beautiful. We are going to Vietnam on December 9. So maybe on December 8 we can go watch your show.
And then it's Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then our second opening night is on the 15th and it goes to the 18th.
What is the name of the show?
42nd Street.
42nd Street. Okay, and that will be where?
It'll be at like the Redmond Academy of Theater Arts.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Well,
Netherlands is beating US 2-1 in the 77th minute.
oh really?
Yeah, I saw that on like where my weather is usually.
Yeah, same. That's where I saw it.
Okay, so let's get started. So we learned about the to-do apps, right? We built a to-do apps, and we learned how to use JSON to build a list of students last week, right? I mean 2 weeks ago. So today it's time for us to apply the things we learned in JSON to apply into our to-do app, okay? So let me share my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen? So you should all have this thing last time, right? This is the JSON file to read from the student, and you read the things in, you process the data, you add a new student, right? So now your job is to convert your to-do apps, which is really just a text file, right? It's reading a text file right here. Instead of reading a text file, now you want to read in a JSON file, like task.json. So you can create a task like this. You have two sections. You have pending task and you have complete task. So you can say, hey, for pending task, you can add a task, you can remove a task, and then eventually you can mark a task as complete. When you mark a task as complete, you move this task from pending task to complete task. That's it. Like marking a task as complete means remove a task and add it to complete task, right? So I could leave the JSON file up here open so that you can watch it and see it. I want you to just apply the knowledge you learn and do the conversion. Upgrade your to-do apps to use JSON, okay? You have 15 minutes to do so, to try to go as far as you can. And then you will share the screen where I can help out, walk it through and help you out. Any questions so far?
No.
No question?
No.
Okay, awesome. So you
I
guys,
already did this on Thursday, so I'm just gonna create a new file and try to do it again.
okay, you can try to do it again, or you can continue to do it because there's so many
Okay.
functionality of the to-do apps you
Yeah.
haven't finished yet. You have to print out the new update the file. When you exit the program, the new data to list has to be correct, right? Update the format when you print it out, right? And then you can see here, the task now have more option. You not only have the task name, but remember here, over here, you only have the task name, but here you have the task name. You can have the due date. You can have the type of task. You can have more information here. You can add many things you want here. Okay, so Peter, that's your next step here. And then in the 50 minutes, people will share the screen and you can help them debugging what the problem is. Okay.
That gives me a good idea. I'm gonna do that. To set
Okay.
a due date and stuff.
Yeah, sure. And then try to deal with date and time. When you put in date and time here, it will be fairly tricky. So let me show you. All you have to do is Google Python date time, and then you can see how people using Python date time here. Look at this. Right? It will format. It will print out. It will print out to a string, and then you convert back string to do date, something like that. Right? So it's not going to be very trivial, but it'll be fun. Okay, so no further questions. So let's kick off the 15-minute timer. I want you all to suffer the the unknown, the error, the debugging for 15 minutes before I help you. Okay, ready, go.
Rau bánh mì còn nguyên đó.
Can I fit?
Nè, nó sạch thì chưa?
Wait, do you need to do like the Python thing?
Can you ask the question again?
Do you need to do like in the Python or just the JSON?
Oh, you need to upgrade your to-do apps here. Instead of using the to-do txt, you have to do the JSON.
Oh, okay. I'm already kind of lost.
Say it again.
I'm already kind of lost with the Python.
Okay, no problem. That's the whole part of the exercise. Is you have 3 more minutes, 4 more minutes to keep thinking hard of how do you use the JSON file in your to-do list app. Then that kind of exercise and problem solving and exercise at the same time, right? To leverage the knowledge you learned last week on the JSON.
So do we keep any of the Python or do we just rewrite from scratch?
Well, you're trying to reuse as much as possible.
Okay.
If it helps, you can copy and paste to a new file, and then on edit here, you can have side by side after all file working and the new file using the JSON. All right. All right, time to share your screen. All right, let's start with Fabio. Fabio, can you share your screen?
One moment, I have to write a few some last lines.
Well, that's the whole point. Share your screen so people see how you do
Okay.
it. That's the point.
Where is the, here it is. Sure. I almost finished to write the JSON one. So I did what I did first in the to-do list. This one, I copied it back in the JSON code. So I have it all here.
So, well, then stop right there. Stop right there first. In your JSON right now, you have the root is task. Task is an array, and it has two dictionary. One is unfinished and one is finished.
Yeah.
Right. So the thing with array is that you cannot just say, hey, give me a task of unfinished. You have to go to task, and if you go to array item number 1 or item number 2, you cannot just access finished directly or unfinished directly because it's array. You see that line number 2? At the end of line 2, you have a square bracket. So that means that it is a array inside.
Oh, okay.
Now, inside the array, you have two dictionary, right?
Yeah.
So do you have this working in your code yet?
No, I didn't.
Okay,
I put
sure.
everything.
So let's fix.
Hmm?
Let's fix it first. Let's
Oh.
fix it so that you don't have to spell out task, right? You can read in data. You have unfinished and finished. Let's make it simple as that. So you remove line 2 and 3.
These two.
Yeah, remove it. Line 2 and 3. You remove line 8 and 9. 8 and 9.
Oh. Oops.
And then, yep, and then line 8, 7, can you add a comma? Yep, correct. And remove line 14 and 15.
Oh no. Whoops.
Yep. And then select from 3 to 14 and then do Shift Tab to fix indentation. Shift Tab. One more. Okay. And then remove line 2.
Yes.
So there's a new, this is like exercise using a new data type, and it's confusing to you all, which is expected, right? So now we have a dictionary, and in this dictionary you have two data points. One is about some unfinished things and some finished thing. And what is unfinished thing? The unfinished thing is an array. Is an array of many dictionary, and each dictionary will have a task name, right? So instead of doing number 1, line number 4, you say number 4 there, you put in, instead of number 1, you put in task name.
Here.
Yep. Okay. And then yep, and then on the finished one, you break that one task into 2 tasks, right? You have one dictionary. You have to break into 2 dictionary. Each of them have a task name as well.
Like
So
this.
you have from line 8 to 12, you have one dictionary, right? Dictionary is surrounded by a square bracket, by a curly bracket. You copy and paste.
Like Dot.
Yeah. After you make the one after line 14. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah, comma, and then comma in between because you have array. Yep, that's right. That is an array of multiple dictionary. And then in dictionary, you have task name as well. Task name for number one. Instead of 1 and 2, you start typing task name. Just task name. You don't have to say task name 1 or task name 2.
Oh, okay.
Right now, your job is to be able to read this into your code. Peter, here's where you come in, Peter.
Yes,
Can you help Fabio to write this in the code?
write this into the code.
Yeah, use the code. The code
Okay,
show the code by the JSON. Yeah. So what file is it reading? It's reading in JSON. Okay, sure,
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
don't you have to do the path thing to open the JSON file that we did last time?
It's here.
Yeah. Okay,
Cool. Well,
now you should open it in main.
what?
Open it in main, don't.
Okay.
Anyway, don't use that one. I'll show you what to do. Okay, so go. Okay, so go here.
So Ray, when you watch this, you can go along as well.
So you could delete all of this. Like up to here. Like, yes. And then tab to make sure you're inside of the. Okay, so you want to go the variable data file path is equal to
Oh, wait.
data file path. And scroll to the top. Scroll to the top. Make sure you imported path. Yep, you did. Okay. And then equal to path with a capital T. Yep. And then parentheses underscore. No quote. Just underscore, 2 underscores. No, that's comma. 2 of the shift dash. You know the one next to the right of the 0?
Oh my god. Oh.
Yes. And then file. No capital. No cap. And then another 2 underscore. Yep. And then after that, outside dot parent. No. Yes, dot parent. And then slash. Other slash, the forward slash. Yes. And then in quotes the to-do list.json. Okay, so now you go to the and then now you have to do R handle or read handle, file read handlers. I just call it R handle for short, is equal to open and then the data file path. Data file path. And then comma, space, and then quote R for read. Yep. And then enter. Data is equal to JSON.load R handle. .load. And then in the parentheses R handle. No space. There's no space. Yep. and then enter. And last line, oh. Our handle is not closed. Dot close. Yep. Okay, you realize, okay, so first, you see all, yeah, and then you have to add the parentheses at the end.
What?
Add
Oh,
a
yeah.
parentheses. Yep. And then, from, let me show you. So from here to here
Two.
to here. Do control and then forward slash. Control slash. Yep. Okay. So actually we could actually you could just delete it. It's probably better if you just delete it. Yeah, okay. So now we have to print out all of the tasks, right? Now we need to print the tasks. So do count where, okay, go, yep. Let me clear them. Do counter equals 1? Because this is how we're going to print out the test. Equal to 1. Enter. Remember how we do JSON. So for task in data,
Oh.
capital D because you named it that earlier. And then square bracket. And then the single parenthesis. What did you call it? Like unfinished task?
Unfinished.
I think? No,
Unfinished.
not parentheses, sorry, quotes.
Whoops.
Single quote. So no shift. Don't shift when you do it. Yep. And then unfinished. Yep.
No.
Capital U.
There we go.
Okay. And then the colon.
What the heck?
Nope. Shift.
Oh my god. What is the colon again?
Shift and then the one next to L.
This.
Yes.
Oh.
Enter. Okay, now you want to just do print. And then in parentheses, counter, comma,
No.
and then
Oh, yeah.
space. And you want the quotes, double quotes, and then put a colon to just show space.
Oh, was it colon like that?
Shift.
Okay.
And then space. After that, do another comma. No, like outside of the quote. Yep. Space, and then task. It's lowercase t. You did. Here, let me show you.
Found it.
You see this? Same thing. And then you want the square brackets, same thing, and then you want the task name. No, not unfinished. Go back to your JSON.
The other one is finished. Oh,
Yeah,
task.
so task name. Task name. And then, yep. And then enter at the end. And then counter plus equal 1. Plus, no, not equal to plus equal, just counter plus equal 1. enter. Okay, backspace. Now you want to print out the action menu, just do print menu. Okay,
It's right there.
new line. Choice is equal to input. And then you want to just say like what task you want to do or something. And then, yep, next line. Like first you need to check if they want to exit. So if choice is equal to 4. No, not close, choice. In the quote.
What?
The quote.
Oh, you're right.
And then
Break.
break, yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's find out how to add. Adding back then was pretty easy, just array.append, but here's going to be a little different because you have to add to a whole array, but still it's in task that has more attributes. So elif, first add the elif choice is equal to 1. In quote. Yep. Then like you do new task name. Is equal to the input. And then whatever you want to type, like what task do you want to add? What's the name of the task you want to add? Yep. And then okay. Yep. Okay. So then type new task, not new task name, but new task is equal to, and then the curly bracket. Enter, and then do whatever you usually do, like so enter. And then like task name is in quotes. Like what you do in the JSON, task name, and then colon outside. And then new task name. Not in quotes. This one's not in quotes. Yep. Hit enter. Well, not enter. Go down.
Oh.
Okay. Yep. No, tab over again. That hasn't added it yet. You just declared it.
Okay.
Then you need to do like the dot append. So data. And then there's, yep, square bracket. Unfinished. In single quote. In a single quote. And then dot append. Still need the dot. And then new task. In parentheses, new task. Fabio.
Yeah.
No, not there. After the append. How do you do append? Yep. New task.
The choice is not turning blue for me.
Yeah. Append.
Append, yeah, it doesn't need to turn blue.
Oh.
Mine doesn't turn blue either. So. Okay, so now run the code.
The
What about
choice.
this?
Select all of that. Select it. You didn't select the close at the end. And then control slash. Comment it out. Control slash.
The choice is not turning blue for me.
Whoops. Doesn't do
Control slash,
now.
not.
Oh,
Yes.
slash.
Oh,
There.
okay.
Did you fix the choice thing or no?
Yeah,
Right? You fixed it? Okay. Run it. Okay, now you want to add a task because you didn't do remove or edit yet. What task do you want to add? Besides it.
Beat Peter in Minecraft.
Okay.
He will never do that.
I already did. But you were in Texas.
Not Texas, it was Las Vegas.
Oh,
Crit is not how you spell Christo, it's Y, yeah.
understood. It worked.
Yep, let's go. Okay, we did the add.
Yeah.
Now you want to work. Let's go to Ray and we'll do this.
Good idea.
remove
Let's go
on
to
the
Ray.
side.
Let's try to make sure the basic work on Ray machine. Yep.
it's kind of slacking behind right now.
Yeah, share your screen. We will help.
Can you help? Daddy?
No, Peter will help.
Can you just control plus really quick? Yep. Okay, scroll down. Okay, so you are kind of really behind. Okay, so if first you have to do if elif choice is equal to 1, not 2. Right? Yeah, because 1 is to add task. You can, where's my annotate? Here, add task is 1. Anyway, okay, so actually I can just paste it into chat and then well Fabio, can you copy and paste yours into chat? Because mine is a little more complicated and it has
Okay.
a lot of other stuff. So just copy and paste yours into chat. Who's doing that? Ray.
What? Oh,
Ray
that is
just scribbled.
where's the chat? Found it.
I think
Done.
somewhere. Okay. So Ray, just copy and paste. Not the whole thing.
You told me the whole thing.
Just the adding part.
Oh, wait. The adding part.
And also Ray, you need to change this. It has to be capital P.
Oh, the adding part.
Yes.
Okay. Here it is.
Thank you.
It's that one, right?
Let me see.
You add something.
Yes, this part. Okay, so Ray, if you just copy and paste that in chat, it's in chat. You can go to the top, I think, and then go to open chat. Ray? Hello? Okay, yep. So first you need so Fabio has a little different, so data here is, yeah, so you have, you know, pending, and then data is a lowercase d for you. And also come up here and replace path. It's not, you have to have a capital P. Yep. Okay. So, do you understand how it works, or do you need help? What? Wait, scroll to the top really quick. Okay, wait, scroll down. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I have never ran into these errors before.
So the error, what did it say? It's a JSON encoder error. So the encoder, so that means it expects some value in the JSON that's not there.
Oh, so go to the tasks.json.
So go back for first of all, go back to task.py. Now read the error right there. Say line 18 trace back, right? Say don't show up, just read it right there. It start with the bottom error. It say that JSON decode error, right? Expecting line value, line 1, column 1, blah blah blah. But you know what is it trying to read in task that failed? So task.py line 18 right there. It say, right? You look up until you reach the task.py line 18. So I tried to load the JSON, but see, it couldn't load the JSON. It couldn't load the JSON because the format is wrong. So you go back to JSON, task.json, looking at, check the square bracket and the bracket, make sure it's correct.
I think I know why. Could I say it?
Yeah, go ahead.
She didn't save it.
You didn't save it, yeah. Why you have to close it? You can
Yeah,
save
why
it.
you have to close it? Open task.json. Yep, and go back to task.py. Okay, and run it. There you go.
Oh, beautiful.
And then try to add a task. So 1. What do you want to add?
We go sledding today, maybe, or when it's snow.
There's not enough snow.
There's not enough snow in my driveway to sled, which is sad. And my dad is shoveling it anyway.
We don't have snow.
What? Oh, pending task. Make sure you spelled it correctly with the capitals and stuff.
I spelled it like this.
Oh, okay. So then go back to,
lowercase.
so go down, scroll down. You spelled it without an S right here. There needs an S.
Oh,
Yep. Now run it.
okay.
Try again.
Sure things, like just as Peter. He's
Oh,
expert.
and task name.
Peter is expert at that.
Okay, so go to your tasks again. Task.json.
Oh, I used a
Okay.
lowercase.
Okay, there.
Here we go again. Ugh.
Yep, you got it.
Yay.
All right.
All right, so we got the basic now. So let's continue to move on to the next step. Like at least you'll be able to write. For the last 7 minutes, let's try to write the file back into the data, right? Let's just dump it up. You add a task. Now, how about you make sure you save it when you exit the program, and then at home you can try to remove a task. You can try to mark the task as complete and things like that. But try to write the task back to the file now. Okay, let's all try to do that. Peter, Ray, and Fabio. Okay, and then after you do that, then we call it a day. Okay. I have to run now to prepare for a mini trip that we have for today. So I'm going to exit now, but you all stay online to finish the writing out to the file. Okay, sounds good?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. All right, thank you. Bye.
What do we have to do?
You have to dump all of the data back out to the JSON. Because now if you leave, the JSON doesn't change. You haven't saved it to the JSON. Fabio,
Oh.
were you here last lesson with the students.py and
Yes, I
student
have it.
JSON?
I even
Okay, so
copied
at the end, remember we had the JSON.dump and stuff? At the
Yeah.
end, we're trying to do
Oh,
that
here's
right
a
here.
dump.
Yes.
I found it. So it's just like a copy and paste.
Not exactly. You still have to change some things. So like instead of creating a whole new JSON, just do tasks.json. I think it would work that way.
I did it, but the whole thing blew up.
Yeah, I know. Because you can't read it again. You have to do the W instead of read.
Data and Wandle don't exist. And right-handed.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, because you need to change tons of stuff.
So just throw them away.
Here, I'm gonna do it right now, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. I kind of don't remember how to do it either, so.
Like, oh, I don't know. Oh wait, I have a big data. Never mind, big data doesn't exist. That's sad. Let's try it. Yeah, never mind. I got it wrong.
Yeah, let's see if this works. I did it. Okay. Yeah, I did it. The JSON does look.
I need to prepare for my class.
Okay.
I'll see you next week. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Fabio. You want to see what I did?
Yes, I'm still
Okay.
alive. Okay.
Let me share my screen. Okay, here. So this is what I did. Same thing. So you want file path 2 instead of, because here I did file
Oh,
path.
wait a
Like
second.
you did data file path, it still works. But then
Um,
add a 2 to the end. And then you want to do the same thing, but path file parent task.json, and then W handle for write handle instead of read handle. And then
Okay.
make sure to open file path 2
File
with a W,
to
and then json.dump instead of
equal to
json.load.
path strange file. Ah, crap. Okay. File. What the heck is all of this? Why parents anyway? Parent anyway? Like, what does it mean?
I don't know.
Oh,
My
Uh,
dad just showed me it.
so you're doing stuff that you don't know what, like, you're just doing stuff and you don't
No,
know.
I know it just it helps file like filter the file out. But I don't know why they call it parent.
Okay. What the heck is tasks.json? Oh, it's a to-do list.
Yeah, the to-do.json thing. I did task.json instead. So.
Okay. Just noticed. Wait. Randall.
Randall. What do you call the R handle? Randall.
Randall. Hi,
Randall
Randall.
and Wendell. That seems like a family that'd be very happy. Okay, anyway, once it does that, the problem is it does do
Oh, no,
this, but
no.
this is also how JSON can look.
Oh my gosh. What the heck is that?
It's JSON, but without the enters.
Oh my goodness. All in one line. All in one line.
Yeah. And then I can fix it.
That's just sad. Can I see the program, the code?
Oh yeah, the code.
Yeah.
And it definitely works. Add a task. Oh, whoops.
Are you
I have
sure?
to run it. Add task. What do I do here? Where should I add? Kill Fabio. In my
Why?
phone. There.
I
then-
will.
It hasn't saved yet. It hasn't saved yet. And then we do 8 to enter,
Wait.
to exit. Bam.
That doesn't exist.
Bam. What? Huh?
What the heck is the okay, I found data. Let's see if it works. So add task.
It didn't work because I didn't save the JSON.
Kill someone. Okay.
And then exit, and then it'll save to here
Yes, it came.
and,
Kill
make
someone.
it look ugly. Okay. Also, it's past 9:30 now, so we can do something else.
Can you
You
play?
want to get on Minecraft? I can play for like maybe 20 minutes.
20.
I can't play. I have to go skiing, remember?
I mean, 20 so much. I think I have to go immediately.
Okay. I kind of want to do some crystal PvP with you though, like on Mine Rival.
You mean sword PvP, right?
We could do sword too.
I
I'm
only-
really good at crystal now though.
I mean, in Crystal, I only use a sword, so.
And you still
I'm trying
kill
to see-
people.
I'm trying to see a tutorial of how to do the honey farm. We need a lot of materials, but it will be worth it. So you could make a slime invasion. I really wanted to try to destroy the spawn in Mine Rival.
Also, there's like nobody in the regular. There's like 10 people in crystal. Oh my god. There's so many
yeah.
people.
Peter, when we make a lot of farms, do you want to make a chunk loader?
What's a chunk loader?
You know, farms work by chunks. If you're near the chunk will
Yeah.
load, so everything will work. Yeah, you already know that, right?
Yeah, but how do you load the chunk if
Yeah.
you're not there?
There's a way there are multiple ways to load chunks without players. technically you need like another portal. And the design I saw, you were using water to move the boats, multiple boats, and another portal and a dispenser. So the dispenser creates the boats, it makes it go through the portal, and there will always be a few boats in the overworld and in the nether. So it's
Bro,
just
I'm
gonna
getting absolutely wrecked right now. This is really good guy here. Yes, I got him. I killed him.
good. I'm never able to kill people.
Popped him. Oh, this guy tried to anger me. I'm gonna do the fly glitch in the thing. I'm gonna build up and start flying without people. Oh, I just flew. I just flew. I don't know what they're saying because I paused my game. Oh, it's so quiet. I'm gonna die when they come in. Oh, yep. Oh, I didn't even pop a totem though. I have no more obsidian.
Oh, really? That sucks.
I was gonna hot heat my obsidian, then I realized I had no obsidian to block the anchor, so I got popped. I got popped by a sword. I was a half a heart attack.
Okay. I understood how to make the slime farm, the honey farm. It would be very useful if I also knew how to make a slime farm. Like if I had the possibility to make a slime farm mostly. But I don't think we're able to.
I have a
Would you like to
4
mine a
kill
chunk?
streak right now
4 kill streak. Oh,
in crystal, which is hard because the only kills only count if you don't use a respawn anchor. And you only kill people with a respawn anchor, so.
oh. Because I'm a nice and smart boy, I'm going a regular. There are 2 players in total. Four players now. Wait, what?
Để tao lại chơi rồi.
Oh, okay.
Bao nhiêu việc con?
Okay, okay, I have to go now.
Oh, sad. See you. Wait, tomorrow you can play, right?
Maybe. I don't know. I'll text you if I
Để
can.
bữa nay nữa.
Oh
Okay.
god. I have 3 totems left. Never mind 2. I'm out of pearls. I don't use pearls to run away. I use pearls to damage tick people.
Anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna try complete this slime
Stop
farm.
hurling! Bro doesn't even have a totem, and he's hurling like crazy. I have 1 totem left.
Let me
I have
come.
0 totems left.
I'm here, Peter. Where are you? I shall save you.
Go
Stop
to the
Peter.
tree. Go to the tree.
Wait. Okay. So I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you.
Oh,
Here, I'm with you. Don't worry. I'm with
okay, let's go kill some. Oh,
you. Don't worry. I won't kill you. No, you died.
yeah, I'm gonna come back and kill them, and then I'll leave.
It's Sammy. Oh my god. He popped my totem.
He probably did.
Oh my god, no. Did they just block me? I knew it.
I knew-
hit you once.
I needed it to pop the totem. Why is this guy swimming?
What the heck? Dude, this hitbox is so small.
Okay, I have to go.
Oh,
I
okay.
logged off while in combat.
Where are you? Come over here. Okay, then I have to go back and that's mine.
Okay, I gotta go now. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah. What do you
Please, he's still alive. He's still alive. Non ci posso credere. There was your chip there. Sì, Feda?
Fabio,
Sì?
orario che ci troviamo.
Non lo so. Io pensavo dopo.
Perché io direi verso le 9 va bene.
Io pensavo 9:30 forse.
Fabio, bisogna entrare mezz'ora prima nel gioco perché sennò non ti fanno entrare.
Ah no, cacchio. Allora facciamo...
9
No,
e 10?
sì, va bene, 9:10 circa.
Ok.
Scusa,
Va bene.
scusa se non riesco a concentrare.
Ciao,
Ciao
ciao.
ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao ciao. Who are you? Vieni qua. the heck? I always die from alpaca. There's Ursina alpaca. And she even sucks. Yeah. Mazzora. Okay, beach him. Nope. I'm not killing anyone. Don't you know? Here. Okay. Oh my god, no, it was behind me, behind me, behind me. No, behind me. It was behind me. He backstabbed both of us. My gosh. Where's it? No! He jumped. And he crit me immediately. No, I had to have a heart. Who are you? I saved you from a spawn camper. Dang dark thingy. Come back. What the? Can't kill any Alex. Y'all suck. Because they only run. Nothing like me. What? Stupid critter. Like the only time he actually crits and he kills me. Oh my god. She had their crossbow in their hand. I was just using my sword. Just spamming it. I also like Boka. No. You! No, no, no. Did I charge my thing? Probably one shot. I don't know. I had my shield up. Oh, yeah. It's just another guy just following me. Where are you, Billy and Jim? No, Arsenal fucking not over here. Why? Dang you. I shouldn't have trusted him. And trusted him. You kicked me so hard. Oh, oh my god. Why am I always aiming below? I have to aim up now. Oh my god, 1 heart. Oh my god. Ah! Kill him. What the heck? I was chasing that guy. Oh, oops. No, I knew he would hit me. Actually, I think he couldn't hit me if I actually moved. Yeah, I knew it. Let's go here. No.